Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat
I
po.
love you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sara, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming
course.
salamat po syempre for, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala yun! Ikaw lahat yun!
Opo, share ko lang po. Of course, when I invited Coach Sara to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kundi pala yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Ano po? Ay, Sir Sok!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiyawan ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang every time na nagkikita tayo. Sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren.
Thank you
Mahal
po.
na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming salamat.
Dennis sa malayo! Ang tangkat mo!
Thank you po. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe.
Galing mo, Darren!
Thank you. Give it up once again for Miss Sara Geronimo!